Hey, hello parents. So I'm going to give you a quick look at what your child sees to navigate around the Schoology page through our 8th grade green architecture course. They may have their home screen on this recent activity mode, just a preferences all for them. It's more like a news feed like Facebook. So as teachers post things, they'll see that. My preference is the course dashboard look. Gives it more like a screen of your phone look with the apps and whatnot. So your child is logging on to the Green Architecture class. Here I have a big reminder for the kids to check their grades tab frequently. This will be over here. Mine says gradebook. There to say the word grades. If they click that, it'll show them a list of all the assignments they have so far to date, the scores they've gotten, and most importantly, any kind of comment I wrote, either how to get more points, what they might have missed, or just in general comments. Because what I'm going to communicate with the child is to this commenting. Right? These comments do carry over to the parent portal. So if you log on there, you'll see them. The kids log in here, they'll see them. That's kind of neat having that. In their distance learning folder, I began the time doing daily folders. So I'll pick on a folder here at random. Here I have the plan of the day. And then their little assignments tied to that plan of the day as far as what we're doing. This might have been a continuation day of our assignment. So in the actual worksheet would be the video lesson. And then to have this here fulfilled, it says when it's due and what they must do to submit that or have it completed. Here's a little quick grade checker one. It was due the 2nd of April. And it says must score at least 3 on this grade check one. I try to keep my folders with the little completion checks. So when they do this task and that task, and they jump back out to that folder, it'll show that that folder is indeed checked off, done in green. All right. The newer ones for these next few weeks are done in 1 week increments. So here's this week, for instance. If I broke it down by day, so Monday, of course, there's no school. Here was Tuesday's lesson. Here's what we're doing for the day. I kind of gave them a goal for the day. Complete checkpoint number 1. What that refers to is on the document, I have 4 checkpoints for the whole assignment. If they got checkpoint 1 done, then they're on pace. Here was a video lesson for the day. You scroll down, here's today's lesson, today's goal, today's video lesson, then goes Thursday's lesson, goal, video, then Friday's lesson, goal, video. At the very bottom is this assignment. It's due Friday. They must make a submission, and we're grading them on all 4 checkpoint items. Try to keep my folders the same throughout for the duration of distance learning. So again, it's just going to be a weekly folder, and in it, it's going to have Monday with our lesson and videos, Tuesday lesson videos, and so on and so forth. All right. So try to keep it somewhat simple so the kid knows, hey, today's Monday, here's my to-do list. Or it's Tuesday, it's my to-do list. I hate having them trying to guess. I want them to know for sure what's going on. Any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thank you for your time.